Michael Burry, the investor who gained notoriety thanks to the film The Big Short, has targeted one of Wall Street's hottest celebrities. At the end of the second quarter, bearish put contracts were held by Burry's Scion Asset Management upon 235,500 shares of the ARK Innovation ETF. According to the petition, the new post was worth roughly $31 million. After Cathie Wood's thematic tech-focused wagers crushed the market in 2020, her flagship exchange-traded fund and the one run by her company, Ark Investment Management, attracted billions in the previous year. However, Wood and Ark have found it challenging to keep up their momentum amid worries about sky-high pricing and quickening inflation. Younger people who, according to her, value the role that innovation plays in today's environment are a large portion of the hot-tempered investors' target market. According to his filings up through the end of the previous quarter, Burry boosted his Tesla put position during that time. Wood has consistently supported Tesla. With more than 10% of the whole ETF's holdings, the electric car manufacturer is ARK Innovation's top holding. Now, Burry has been selling off shares along with his constant shadowing and shading of Tesla CEO Elon Musk on Twitter. He decreased his common stock holdings from $137 million to $42 million in the third quarter of 2021. Burry thinks the stock market is extremely inflated, which is why, in a now-deleted tweet from earlier this year, Burry stated that all hype/speculation is doing is luring in retail before the mother of all crashes. Aside from Tesla and Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation ETF, Burry also closed out his significant negative wagers. Burry has been sounding the alarm about market values for months. He warned in June that investing in cryptocurrencies and meme stocks might lead to regular investors being lured into the mother of all collapses. A put contract offers Scion the option to sell ETF shares at a specific price and before a specified date. If shares fall below the barrier, their value rises. Unknown are the precise conditions of the puts and their purchase date. Burry, who is one of ARK's top selections and ARK's largest holding, has been indirectly betting against Wood for a while by taking a prominent position against Tesla Incorporated. Burry stated to CNBC in October that his position, which was disclosed earlier this year, purely traded and that he was no longer betting against Tesla. Investors with put options have the opportunity to sell their shares at a specific price in the future. He also sold put options on 1.9 million shares of the iShares 20 Years Plus Treasury ETF and 91,900 shares of Alphabet Incorporated. ARK Innovation, the ETF operated by renowned stock picker Cathie Wood, was the best-performing U.S. equities fund last year as a result of its bets on high-growth businesses that had a rally in the early stages of the pandemic. Burry also sold a put position on 235,500 shares of ARK Innovation. Despite the 24.7% increase in the S&P 500, the $20.5 billion funds have fallen this year and are down 4.8% for the year as a whole. Given that documents filed are exempt from requiring a disclosure of option strikes, purchase prices, and expiration dates, it was unclear how Burry's pessimistic wagers on Tesla and the others fared. According to SEC filings, Burry also established additional long positions in Synexus Incorporated, Lockheed Martin Corp., and Now Incorporated, a provider of oil drilling equipment. Synexus prescriptions are rising, and more insurance is picking up the tab for the medications. Although it may seem specialized, Burry was persuaded to purchase more than 174,000 shares by Synexus's cutting-edge technology, strong financial position, and an upward trajectory. Over the past year, shares of Synexus have increased by 18%. It could be a good idea to diversify outside of stocks if Burry is right, and the market is about to undergo an unprecedented collapse. Investing in tangible assets might help protect your portfolio from high market volatility such as gold or real estate. Now Inc. is a covert business that offers Lockheed an industrial small-cap rival. Over the past year, the company's stock has increased by more than 70%. Given that the company intends to diversify into expanding industries like renewable energy and carbon capture, Now should have some long-term appeal. Burry seemed to be enjoying what Now has to offer. As of Q3 2021, he had 150,000 shares in the business. In the event that Burry is correct and the market is poised to see an unprecedented collapse, it could be a brilliant idea to diversify outside of stocks. Let us know your views on this, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Do push the bell icon so you never miss an update from us.